Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. For the past 5 to 6 days, we did not release any video because we had a tour to Mysore Dasara exhibition, and yesterday only we returned back, and today we are releasing the video. Okay, before wasting much of your time, let us enter into the video. And if you are watching for the first time our video without subscribing to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, then watch, like and share to all your beloved people. Okay, now what we are supposed to do to get the consistent profit from the market? You don't ever think that without making loss you could make profit from the market. One day or other day you will have to lose something to the market so that you will get something from the market. So now for that we have simplified the method of trading using our MST iCore 2.0 as much as possible. Now to get this indicator, what you are supposed to do, as I have been explaining you in all the videos, go to the tradingview.com and open one free account. Then share that username and subscribe to our indicator using any of the available plans. Monthly plan is not available. Please do not ask for monthly plan. And secondly, how to subscribe to YouTube channel and Telegram channel for the updates. Then select the script whichever you want to trade. Then go to this indicator panel and straight away come to invite only script, and here you will see our MST iCore 2.0 world easiest version. That's all. These are the things you are supposed to follow. You can keep in any time frame, it's not a matter. See today what happened. Before showing you today's example, let me show you what happened previous day because I did not release the video. On 20th October, sell activated, first target hit. Again sell activated, almost first target hit, the market got over. That is this day, that is Monday 23rd October, what happened? Buy activated, target not hit. Second sell activated, all the targets hit. So what we are supposed to do, we have to enable this indicator. If buy activated, enable the first buy targets. If sell activated, enable the first sell targets. If SL hit, go for the reversal entry. Is it clear? We know what will happen and what we are supposed to do. If loss comes, what we are supposed to do. If profit comes, what we are supposed to do. Everything we know well in advance. Everything we know well in advance. See here today what happened. Today the market high made was 43,397 and our entry price was 43,424. We had also taught you about the 360 format. If we had kept in 360, exactly our sell entry activated and all the targets hit. Suppose if you have not kept in 360, what you will be doing, you will be keeping D time frame only. So here entry is not activated exactly, but what we have taught you is R3C pattern. So here you can see R3C perfectly has formed, bearish R3C, then we got the very good profit. Even if you don't follow that bearish R3C pattern also, you will be taking the entry here and you will be waiting for the target. But unfortunately today target it has not given and SL hit. Again we have taken the second sell here and first target hit. So whatever loss here we made, exactly here we have recovered. So this is the accuracy of our indicator. So this is happened with respect to Bank Nifty. And what happened to other script like Nifty? Always we are watching both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty also same thing. See here, perfect bearish R3C it has formed nearest to our sell zone. Then we have got very good trending. If you have not taken this entry, here you would have taken the buy entry and SL hit, immediately second sell activated and targets hit. Once again sell activated, targets hit. So this is the accuracy of our indicator. What happened yesterday? Yesterday also same thing happened. Previous day no trade was activated, no buy, no sell. So this is the simplest method you can follow to make a consistent profit. After 22 days, if you are able to make at least 17 days profit and 5 days loss also, you are getting a very good profit. And next one, let me show you natural gas. Natural gas, what happened to the market? So what we are supposed to do for natural gas? Go to the indicator and minimum stop loss you have to keep small stop loss. And what happened here? Sell activated, target hit. Once again market has reversed from here, has not given any close above, again target hit. So this is the way our indicator is giving you profit, profit, always profit. And let me show you crude oil and copper. What happened to crude oil? You can see yourself. See here, perfectly buy activated, targets hit. Once again buy activated, target hit. So if buy activated, there is no sell. So to catch this moment, we have given here the another method, that is our third buy zone. So if it is coming, that also you can trade. See, it has not reached our third buy zone. So this is the world's simplest method what you can follow. What happened to copper? Copper, first buy activated, first target hit, again second sell activated, targets hit. So now it is taking support from our monthly buy zone. Okay, it is taking support from monthly buy zone. That also you can make a note of it. Copper is in monthly buy zone. And what else we have? Gold, right? See what happened to the gold? Exactly sell activated, target hit. Again here buy activated, targets hit. So this candle, we know the bullish Bahubali candle, we will be ignoring that trade. So whatever trade you are making, this indicator, this tool is giving you a perfect entry and perfect exit. So that is how we are telling, if SL hit, we will be going for the reversal entry. If target hit, we will be closing the trade after booking the profit. So there is no problem of worrying about it. And today we have given you Paytm and silver also. Let us check what happened to silver. Wow, wonderful. See here, sell activated, all the targets hit. Again buy activated, all the targets hit. Again sell activated, all the targets hit. Again here buy activated, is nearing to the sell zone. So very perfect level, right? So do not waste your money in wrong trade. Learn the system and make the profit. That is why we are giving you double validity. Double validity we are giving only to give you profit, only to give you more profits. You can ask us any doubts through the WhatsApp number and Telegram. We will be very happy to answer you. And like this I can keep on showing you all the scripts, but time does not permit me. So I will close the video. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and Telegram channel.